Okay, everyone. In 2 weeks, we are going back to school. And here is one thing you should never ever do when you are back in school. You should never ever tamper with fire alarms at school. If you do that, you will get expelled from school. And you won't be able to graduate. If you do that, every year I talk about this, about not tampering with fire alarms when we return to school. If you tamper with fire alarms, you will not be able to get a job. So this is really, 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 really serious. Do not tamper with fire alarms at school or in any public building or in somebody else's house with their fire alarms. Only do it if you have your own fire alarms at home. Goodbye.